Government has finally agreed to Army's demand to raise a strike course to cater to challenges at China border. India has currently only 3 strike corps in the force. They are 1, 2 and 21 corps and all are based close to the Pakistan border. Further, they are mainly armed to fight a land battle. But the new strike corps will mainly focus on mountain warfare. The decision assumes significance as it comes in the backdrop of recent border intrusions by China in Ladakh. The army will raise the troops and formations as per its plans in next 7 years. This will boost Army's war-fighting capabilities along the line of actual control. Besides new corps, 50,000 additional troops will be deployed along the China border. This will have a cost of around 65,000 crore rupees. Around 30 lakh personnel, strong army will raise the new corps headquarters at Panagarh in West Bengal so that movement to China border can be faster. Besides, 2 divisions in Bihar and Assam will also be set up. Other units may come up in Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh. As per the plans, the Indian Air Force will also deploy its force multiplier assets. Mid-air refueling tankers and C-130J Super Hercules Special Operations aircraft will be stationed at Panagarh. The army will also get a number of new armoured and artillery divisions to be deployed along the northeast region. The army has been taking a number of steps to strengthen its defences along China border and already raised 2 divisions there in recent past. The army and the Indian Air Force have also plans of deploying ballistic and cruise missile units in northeastern region and have also activated several helipads and airfields for its aircraft and choppers to operate in the northeastern sector. What is more significant is that the decision comes just a few days before India and China are expected to discuss the Border Defence Cooperation Agreement. Under the proposed agreement, China called for a freeze on infrastructure development along LAC. But India rejected it, saying it will continue with its military modernization. Bureau Report, DD News.